What's up, guys? So today we're going to be letting Rock face to face with the 5 puppies. Let's see how he reacts, because he's been trying to avoid, well, he's been avoiding them the last couple of days since they were born. So I think he was just a little afraid and just shocked. So he's not going to see the puppy, so we're gonna bring the puppy to him and see how he reacts. Because Ruby, she's been doing all the work, and Rock, he's just been hiding away from the puppies. Mommy's been doing all the work by herself.
Daddy talking bad about you, baby.
So Rock, you are the father.
Nope.
Okay? You're about to meet your puppies, alright? You've been trying to avoid the puppies for the last couple of days. So I'm gonna bring the puppies to you. You ready? Starting with puppy number 1. Okay. She's the oldest. The firstborn jelly bean is Ruby. She's the oldest and the biggest out of the bunch. Alright, jelly bean number 1. Doo-doo.
Run away.
Rocky, come on.
Closer, baby. Closer to his face.
Oh no, she peed on me.
Rocky, come here. No running away. Go here.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, let's pick Rocky up.
Give him a kiss, Rock. Give him a kiss. Go, 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 go.
Daddy coming again.
Number 2 is the boy. Let's see how he react to this cute little boy. Just wait until they open their eyes. They're gonna be all over him. He might be able to hide right now because they can't open their eyes yet, but just wait until they open their eyes and they're gonna be chasing him down. Is that right, Rock? Boom, 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 boom. Huh?
No, Rocky.
Somebody's taking off. Somebody's trying to take off.
Straight, baby.
Come on, Rock. Look how cute he is.
Nope.
Oh, Daddy coming.
Alright.
Rocky.
Jelly
no.
bean number 3.
Stay.
It's a girl.
Stay.
She has some white on the back of her ears.
How cute, Rocky.
Come on.
Come on, Ruby.
Let's go say hi to Daddy. See, Ruby's not afraid.
No, sit down.
Come on.
No, Rocky, you can't run away, baby. You can't run away.
Come back.
Come back here, Rocky.
So here's number 4. It's a girl again. Number 4. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Uh-oh. Hi,
Come on. Say hi.
Put the baby right here. Okay, wait, baby. Baby, wait.
Bruh.
Daddy coming again. Uh-oh. He tried to run again. You can't run, baby. No,
All right.
Rocky. Okay. You okay?
So the last one is the boy. He has kind of similar marking to Ruby all around.
Ruby around.
Ruby. This one has a similar marking, but right here is just a little bit more white than what she has.
Look at him.
Rocky, come on. This is the final one. This is the final puppy. Alright? That you made.
Nope.
Or helped made. There's no denying this is your puppies. Okay? Now. You made him. Oh.
Look at him.
He's hiding underneath the couch.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Alright, I think that's it.
Uh-oh.
See you guys next time.